I made that in only 7 minutes. And today I'm gonna show you how to create a design from scratch, because having a great quality print always starts with a great quality design. But we're gonna go even deeper than that. We're gonna bring that design to life, like the title says, screen printing from start to finish. And I didn't want to overwhelm you with the whole screen printing process because it does have a small learning curve. So that's why I'm breaking up each step into 5 different videos so you can understand the whole process a bit better. And this is my goal, that by the end of this series, that you will have the confidence and knowledge to start screen printing by yourself. So now, let's get to work. Alright, if you want to be a good screen printer, you have to have some graphic designer skills. At least some basic ones, in my opinion. You need to know what's a JPEG, PNG, a vector image, a raster image. Those are just the basic things that you need to know, that you have to know. You need them. But don't worry, by the end of this video, you're gonna know what they are and how to use them and how to apply them to get the best prints. And like I mentioned in the beginning of the video, we're gonna create a design from scratch. And then after that, we're gonna color separate it and prepare the artwork to be screen printed. Also, by the end of this video, I'm gonna show you where you could get the softwares, how much are the softwares, where you could get the printers, how much are the printers, and I'm also gonna show you other stuff. So make sure to watch this video all the way to the end. And I almost forgot, please hit the like button. Now, let me introduce Kittl to you. Alright, this is a homepage of Kittl. And Kittl is a software that helps you create a design in minutes for t-shirts, posters, stickers, and I could just keep going. They have 100 different templates that you could just grab and recreate them to be yours. And you can put them on mugs, t-shirts, stickers, and start selling them legally. They also have an IE tool up here where you can create a design in seconds. For example, you type in yellow lion fighting a gorilla, and it'll create something that you have typed. That's pretty awesome, right? And you could try Kittl for free by clicking the link below. But we'll talk about that later on. We're also going to talk about how could Kittl help your screen printing shop grow. But for now, let's start creating that design. Alright, so we're going to click on t-shirts. And just going to give you a small tour right here. All the awesome templates that they have. Look at all these. Pretty awesome. But you can come check them out yourself. Alright, we're gonna go to Planet Earth. And I already seen the design that I liked. Let me just find it. Right here, this one. You see? Now let's recreate this one. And right here it says how many people have used this design. How many likes. Let's use it. Let's see, give me a second, take it easy. Alright. First thing you wanna do, you wanna grab and ungroup everything. Ungroup. Then I like to take away the texture. If there's some type of texture, delete. I delete it. And since I'm gonna use a white shirt, I wanna see how it's gonna look in a white shirt. Not that good, right? So let's dim it down a little bit. Alright, here's fine. Now, I don't want to take care, so we're gonna take away these words. We're gonna put sun shines. Sun shines. Look at that, beautiful. Raise it up a little bit. Right here, we're gonna put, just delete all this, on everyone. Okay, I don't know what happened there. Let's undo that. Let's do it again. Then delete. Delete, 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 delete. On everyone. Let's see. Look at that. Beautiful. Sun shines on everyone. Now, my goal is to make this design into a 3-color print. So right now I have 1, 2 with the black, 3, and then 4 with this. I don't know, this is like a white, but it's not a white. So, let's see. Let's mess with the sun first. Let's make sure this is super black. Alright. Nice. Alright, let's see.
Por dentro, mi sol, mi mar, mi cielo, mi viento, atento a lo que tú a mí me causa. Pasa el tiempo y un beso lo pausa, sabiendo que no va a terminar. Por eso te quiero llevar a ver vista el mar, ir a navegar, mirar el sol y ver llegar otro verano más. Hay que sonreír.
The clouds gray. it's gonna look on a white shirt. What do you guys think? Yes, no, maybe? No, I'm just gonna keep it all black. And right here, it's super easy. You just go back, undo, undo, undo. That's it. We're back to business. So we're gonna keep this whole design into a 2-color print, and we're pretty much done. Now we go to download up here, and you got 3 options. These 2 options are the free ones that you get when you sign in, and then after that you get both of these. But we're gonna do this PNG one just so you guys can see how easy it is. All you gotta do is just click, and that's it. You save it. You see up here, and that's it. Super easy. We did this design in under, I think, 7 minutes. Awesome. I just had to fast forward through that whole video. I didn't want to make a long, boring video. And I know I messed up when I said a 2-color print when it was actually a 3-color print. But in my defense, I didn't have my contacts and it was like 12:30 a.m. Anyways, as you can see, Kittl is a walk in the park. Easy, simple, and fast way to create a design. You actually would take longer searching for templates than actually creating a design because they do have a lot. You could also create mock-up just to see how the design is gonna look on a t-shirt before even downloading the image, and I'm just touching the surface. But let's get back on track. We saved that design in a PNG format, and it's good, but it's not the best option for screen printing. For screen printing, we need that design to be vectorized to have the best possible print. But let me explain what JPEG, PNG, and vector are. Let's start with JPEG. When you save a design on a JPEG format, it compresses the design, making it a whole with the background. It also makes it more pixelated, which makes the design lose resolution. Just zoom in and see how blurry it gets. It's a no bueno. A JPEG is great for pictures, like for social media posts, because it compresses everything into the file where it doesn't take a lot of space, so you could upload it pretty much anywhere, like a website, your social media outlets. And I wouldn't recommend it for t-shirts because it would look too digital, too pixelated. Now let's check the PNG file. And this one's almost the same as the JPEG, but there's 2 major differences. First, the PNG file has the ability to eliminate backgrounds from designs. Second, it holds resolution a bit better. It doesn't compress it like the JPEG, but still it's a whole and you can't use it for screen printing. PNG is great for t-shirts, especially if you're gonna do like DTFs and heat press it, or you're gonna do DTG. It's also great for stickers. I see a lot of people that sell online, so they'll grab that PNG file, stick it on the shirt, and then they'll go sell it. It's great for mock-ups, but for screen printing, it's quite not there. Now let's talk about vector. And I have said this before and I will say it again. Vector is the best format to put a design on a t-shirt, hands down. And let's just zoom in. Right away you can notice that there's no blurriness or loss of resolution. Everything looks nice and crispy. You could also resize the image and it won't lose its fine details. It will still look the same. And everything is not a whole. You could actually separate everything. And this works great, especially for screen printing. When you're about to separate each color, it helps a lot. It just makes everything easier, at least for me. Now, I'm gonna show you 2 ways to get your design vectorized and color separated for screen printing. The first one is the easiest way. After you download that image, you'll grab it and send it to a graphic designer and let them know that you need that design vectorized and color separated for screen printing. Just so when they send it to you, all you gotta do is just print and you'll be ready to start burning those screens. And the second way, the best way, will be to get yourself a graphic designing software. The one I use is called CorelDRAW. Another great one will be Adobe Illustrator. But now, let me show you how I prep my artwork. Alright, let's import the image. We're gonna vectorize it first. Download and go to PNG right here. And this is the image. We're gonna vectorize it first. Line art. Let me see. It's a generator. It does it automatically for this simple designs. Since the designs are very nice and bold, as you can see, it's vectorized. It's PNG, let's delete that. Let's center this and just resize it. I'm gonna go with 10 inches. That's fine. Alright, now I'm gonna import my, let me see, documents, registration marks. Boom. Let's center these. Let's ungroup these real quick. Ungroup. And let's drop them down a little bit. Right here. And right here. Alright. Now we're gonna ungroup this whole print. Ungroup all. I'm gonna copy. And since it's a 3-color design, we're gonna open 3 more pages. 1, 2, 3. We're gonna keep the first one as the original design, and then each, you'll see right now, we're gonna paste the same design on all 3 pages. Now we're gonna name this one black. This one marigold. This one light yellow. Super simple, like this. Marigold, black. Alright, so now everything that it's not black in here is gonna get deleted. This, delete, 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 delete. Anything that's not black, delete, 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 delete. It's really simple. And this is how I color separate my designs manually. Now we're gonna do the same thing but with marigold. Everything that's not marigold is gonna get deleted. Delete.
Hay que sonreír, ya no hay cielo gris. Tampoco voy a pasar el otro verano más sin ti. Un verano más, un verano más. Yo quiero verte sonreír al ver tu pupila. Nada se mueve, mi tierra no gira. Jugando a mano en agua cristalina. Escribe mi nombre en la arena y me mira.
And we're gonna have to make all these black, so we're about to print them. We're gonna print them, so all these gotta be black. Boom. Black. Black. Alright. Same thing here. Black. Everything goes black. Same thing here. Everything goes black. Alright, I don't know what's this. It's extra. Delete. Marigold. And we got the black. And we always leave the original design on the front just so we can come back in case we do mess up. So we got the black, we got the marigold, and we got the light yellow. And it's that simple to separate a color. Alright, let's talk about prices. And both of my printers are inkjet printers. The big one it's a Epson 1430 and the small one is a Epson Stylus C88. And you can find both of these in Amazon. The Epson 1430, it's a little pricey, so I wouldn't recommend to start with it from the get-go, from the start. I would recommend to get a printer that prints with ink. That's an inkjet printer, not a laser one. We talked about 2 softwares, and we're gonna start with Kittl. And I would 100% recommend to go try that software for free. The link's in our bio, for free. The second software is called CorelDRAW, and I've been using this software for a little bit over 4 years now. And it has been working great so far. You could purchase this software annually like I do, or you could just one-time purchase it for like 500 bucks. But I like to get it annually because it always comes with updates. It always updates. Corel and Kittl are both graphic designing softwares, but they're both different. Kittl is more user-friendly. Corel has a small learning curve. But in the long run, in my honest opinion, I feel like Corel will be more beneficial for a screen printer. But at the end of the day, start with whatever you could afford. And here's how Kittl can help your screen printing shop grow in my point of view. First, we're not artists, so creating a design takes a lot of time, especially a good design like this one. And having a website where they already have pre-made designs, all you gotta do is just go in there and recreate them a little bit. Saves a lot of time and a lot of headaches. And right now I have a customer that needs help creating a design for a church. And usually what I do, I'll just grab whatever he send me, send it to the graphic designer. Graphic designer charges me, and then like that. But now I can do the design for him, and I can start making some money for creating designs. Since I'm by myself, creating design takes forever. So now with this software, it's a little bit easier. in my honest opinion, it will be way easier to create a design and make some extra bucks. This guy just pushed my camera. And I got some homework for you guys. Go to Kittl, search through all the templates, and if you see a template that you like and you want me to bring to life, grab the name of it, put it in the comments. Now the comment with the most likes, I will bring that design to life, and I will put it on a t-shirt and I will ship it to you guys. And it's just a way to let you guys know that anything that's in Kittl could be screen printed. But anyways guys, make sure to watch the next video because I need you guys to learn how to screen print on your own. Have a beautiful day and God bless you all. And this is how you want your film to look. Very dark and opaque. But I'll explain that in the next video.